Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing something. So you know how lots of people will put on all of their face makeup? They'll put on their contour, blush, highlight, foundation, and then blend it all out with a sponge. Well, today we are going to see how well this actually works and if it's better, equal to, or worse than just putting them on individually. So let's dive in. Obviously have my eyeshadow and my brows done, and I have primer and moisturizer and sunscreen and all the good things on my face. And so we are going to go in with all the other good things. First, concealer. Today has nothing to do with what products I'm using, just simply the technique of putting these things on. And I think I'm going to try to use, mostly cream products so that they blend a little bit better here. So this is my contour. My blush. Ooh, got a little heavy-handed there. We'll see how that works out. A little bit of highlighter down the center of my nose. And then a little bit of my foundation color. This definitely looks and feels crazy. And we're gonna start blending. So I have a damp beauty sponge we're gonna start with, and I also just have a brush. And we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of scared about my cheeks. So I'm going to go up here instead. Okay, now I'm going to do my nose. I'm going to flip it to do my concealer so that I can keep the brightness under there. One trick with your makeup sponge is, you know, it's shaped for the top to do under your eyes. And then the back end is usually what we use for the rest of our face. And just as you're doing your concealer, you can flip it so that they blend together nicely. And I always just try to keep this as like my bright end, you know, like this is my concealer end and this is my foundation end. And then it helps everything not get quite so mixed together, especially if you're doing it this way. Okay, there we go. That went smoother than I was expecting, actually. What do you guys think? It was fast and made it easy. Definitely still gave me some contrast on my face. You know, not just like, it did stay where it was supposed to be. It didn't all just turn into one flat color. I would definitely say I prefer to do the regular method. of just putting on the products one at a time, just because I do feel like you are going to get obviously more precise application. But this definitely looks really natural. So if you are finding that as you do your contour and your highlighter and your blush and everything, that you're feeling like really done up or over the top, you could definitely give this technique a try, and maybe it would help you feel just like a little bit more natural, but still give you nice color and contour. Okay, I kept my true highlighter separate, my sparkly highlighter, because I didn't know how that was going to work out in there. I really felt like it was just going to get everywhere, so I'm throwing that on now, and I'm just going to throw on some setting spray. And that is it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing and sharing and liking and commenting. I appreciate all that you guys do, and I will see you in my next video.